What if the cure for your health challenges isn't just out there, but within you? What if your body holds the key to perfect health and accelerated healing? Today, on Kuvox Shift, we're unlocking the quantum secret that can transform your entire well being. Get ready to awaken your innate healing power. Welcome, beautiful souls, to Kuvox Shift and another transformative episode in our Awaken Your Inner Creator series. I'm your host, Sukhmander, and today we're diving deep into a topic that affects every single one of us: manifesting health and healing. Get ready to unlock the extraordinary power within your own being to achieve perfect health and accelerate quantum healing. This isn't just about feeling better, it's about total well being, from the cellular level to your radiant spirit. For centuries, we've been taught to look outside ourselves for healing, to doctors, medications, external interventions. And while modern medicine has its place and we honor its advancements, what if I told you that the most potent pharmacy, the most powerful healing center, resides within you? What if your body isn't just a physical vessel, but a dynamic, self-repairing, self-optimizing miracle, constantly responding to your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions? That's the quantum healing secret we're unraveling today. We're going to explore how to tap into your innate self-healing abilities and leverage the body-mind connection for optimal health. The quantum leap, understanding your energetic blueprint. Let's start with a mind-bending concept, but one that is foundational to manifesting health: the quantum field. Modern physics, particularly quantum mechanics, reveals that at the most fundamental level, everything is energy. You, me, this studio, the air we breathe, it's all vibrating energy. Our bodies are not just collections of cells, but intricate, vibrating energy systems. Every atom in your body is 99.99% empty space, and within that space, information and energy are constantly flowing. This means your physical body is a manifestation of your energetic blueprint. When we talk about energy healing or vibrational medicine, we're not talking about something mystical or woo-woo. We're talking about working with the very fabric of reality. Your thoughts, your emotions, your beliefs, they are not just abstract concepts. They are energy. And this energy directly influences your cellular structure, your immune system, your nervous system, every single biological process. This is the essence of the mind-body healing connection. Think about it. Have you ever felt a knot in your stomach when you're anxious? Or experienced tension in your shoulders when stressed? That's your mind affecting your body. Now, imagine reversing that, consciously directing your mind to create vibrant health. This is not wishful thinking. This is applied quantum science. We're talking about holistic health at its finest. The power of belief, rewiring your health story. At the heart of manifesting health lies the power of belief. Our beliefs are the operating system of our reality. If you believe you are prone to illness, your body tends to follow suit. If you believe your body is inherently strong, resilient, and capable of self-repair, you create a very different biological reality. Many of us carry limiting beliefs about our health. Perhaps you inherited a family history of a particular illness, and unconsciously, you've adopted the belief that you're destined for the same fate. Or maybe past experiences of sickness have led you to believe your body is weak or vulnerable. These beliefs, often subconscious, act as powerful programs dictating your body's responses. This is where subconscious healing comes into play. The good news is that beliefs can be changed. Your brain is not hardwired, it's neuroplastic. You can literally rewire your brain to support optimal health. This process involves conscious awareness and consistent effort. It's about shifting from a story of sickness to a story of wellness. How do we do this? Through focused intention and repetition. We start by identifying those limiting beliefs. Ask yourself, What do I truly believe about my health? Am I accepting a diagnosis as my destiny or as a temporary state? Am I holding on to old narratives of illness? Once you identify them, you can consciously choose to replace them with empowering beliefs. Affirmations, visualization, and gratitude are powerful tools in this process. This is the science of manifestation applied to your body. Visualization and affirmations, painting your picture of perfect health. So, how do we actively engage this power of the mind to manifest health? Two incredibly potent tools are visualization and affirmations. Visualization isn't just daydreaming, it's an active co creation with the universe. When you vividly imagine your body in a state of perfect health, you are sending a powerful signal to your subconscious mind and to the quantum field. You are literally creating the energetic blueprint for what you desire. Close your eyes and see yourself vibrant, energetic, free from discomfort. Feel the sensation of boundless energy flowing through your veins. Taste the joy of moving with ease. Hear the words of affirmation about your strength. Engage all your senses. The more real you make it in your mind, the more readily your body and the universe will respond. This is conscious creation in action. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, either silently or aloud, to reprogram your subconscious mind. Instead of saying, I'm sick, you say, my body is a temple of perfect health. Instead of, I'm always tired, you declare, I am overflowing with vital energy. Make them present tense, positive, and full of feeling. Consistency is key here. Repeat your affirmations daily, especially first thing in the morning and before you go to sleep, when your subconscious mind is most receptive. Remember, your words are spells. Use them to cast spells of healing and wellness. This is mind-body healing. The emotional connection, releasing blocks to healing. We can't talk about manifesting health without addressing the crucial role of emotions. Our emotions are energy in motion. Suppressed emotions, unresolved trauma, chronic stress, anger, fear, resentment. These aren't just psychological states, they are powerful energetic blocks that can manifest as physical illness. Many alternative healing modalities, from traditional Chinese medicine to Reiki, emphasize the energetic flow within the body and how blockages can lead to disease. The emotional body is intricately linked to the physical body. For example, chronic stress can suppress your immune system, making you more susceptible to illness. Unexpressed anger can lead to liver issues. Grief can affect the lungs. These are not arbitrary connections. They are deeply rooted in the energetic pathways of the body. This is why emotional healing is so vital for physical healing. To truly manifest health, we must cultivate emotional well-being. This involves emotional release techniques like journaling, meditation, talking to a trusted friend or therapist, or engaging in practices that help you process and release difficult emotions. Forgiveness of yourself and others is a powerful act of self-healing. Gratitude is another incredibly potent emotion. When you feel gratitude for your body, for the health you do have, even for the healing process itself, you raise your vibrational frequency and create an environment conducive to accelerated healing. This is a core principle of holistic wellness. Nutrition and movement, supporting your temple. While the focus of this episode is on the power of the mind and the quantum field, it's absolutely crucial to remember that our physical bodies are our temples, and they need to be nourished and moved. Holistic health means addressing all aspects of your being. Nutrition is foundational. What you put into your body directly impacts your energy levels, your cellular function, and your ability to heal. Think of food as information for your cells. Are you giving them information that promotes vitality and repair, or information that creates inflammation and sluggishness? Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods. Hydrate generously. Listen to your body and what it truly needs. This isn't about restrictive diets. It's about mindful nourishment for cellular regeneration. And movement is life. Your body is designed to move. Regular physical activity, whether it's walking, dancing, yoga, or strength training, improves circulation, boosts your immune system, reduces stress, and releases endorphins that promote a sense of well-being. Even gentle movement can make a profound difference. Find activities you enjoy, so it doesn't feel like a chore, but a joyful expression of your body's capabilities. This contributes significantly to physical well-being. Remember, these physical practices amplify your energetic efforts. They create a strong, resilient vessel for the healing energy you are consciously directing. The power of intention and surrender, co-creating with the universe. As we bring all these elements together, two final yet immensely powerful principles emerge: intention and surrender. Your intention is your clear, focused desire. When you intend to manifest perfect health, you are setting a course, directing your energy. Be specific. Don't just say, "I want to be healthy." Instead, "I intend for my immune system to be strong and resilient, protecting me from all illness." Or, "I intend for my body to effortlessly heal and regenerate at a cellular level." This clarity of intention sends a precise signal to the quantum field. This is fundamental to conscious manifestation. And then comes surrender. This might sound counterintuitive, but it's essential. Surrender isn't about giving up. It's about releasing attachment to the how and the when. You set the intention. You take aligned action, visualization, affirmations, healthy choices. And then you trust the universe and your body's innate wisdom to orchestrate the healing. Doubts, fears, and trying to control every detail can actually block the flow of energy. Surrender means believing that the healing is already underway, that it's your natural state, and allowing the universe to deliver it in the most perfect way. This is deep spiritual healing meeting quantum science. Think of a gardener. They plant the seed with intention. They water it, give it sunlight, but they don't try to pull the seed out of the ground to make it grow faster. They trust the natural process. We are the gardeners of our own bodies and our health. Trust the process. This embodies mindful healing. Creating your daily health manifestation ritual. So, how do you integrate all of this into your daily life? I recommend creating a daily health manifestation ritual. It doesn't have to be long or complicated, but consistency is key. Morning intention setting. Start your day by stating your intention for perfect health. Look in the mirror, smile, and say, "I am vibrant, healthy, and full of life." Visualization practice. Take 5 to 10 minutes to visualize your body in its ideal state. Feel the sensations of wellness. Affirmations. Throughout the day, use your affirmations. Post them on your mirror, set reminders on your phone, or repeat them during your commute. Mindful movement and nourishment. Be conscious of your food choices and incorporate joyful movement. Emotional check-in. Take a moment to acknowledge any emotions arising and allow them to pass, or use techniques to release them. Gratitude. Before bed, express gratitude for your body, for its healing capabilities, and for the health you are creating. We've covered a lot of ground today on manifesting health and healing. Let's quickly recap the powerful takeaways. You are an energetic being. Your body is energy, constantly responding to your thoughts and emotions. Beliefs are blueprints. Your health story is dictated by your subconscious beliefs. Rewire them for optimal health. Visualize and affirm. Use vivid visualization and positive affirmations to create the energetic template for perfect health. Emotions are key. Release emotional blocks and cultivate gratitude for deeper healing. Nourish and move. Support your physical body with wholesome nutrition and joyful movement. Intend and surrender. Set clear intentions and then trust the universe and your body's innate wisdom to deliver the healing. Create a ritual. Integrate these practices into a consistent daily health manifestation ritual. Remember, your body has an incredible innate capacity to heal. You are the creator of your health. You possess the quantum healing secret within you. Start activating it today. Your total well-being awaits. Thank you for joining me on this powerful journey. If this resonated with you, please like this video, subscribe to Kuvox Shift, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next episode in Awaken Your Inner Creator. Share this with anyone you know who is on their own healing journey. And as always, remember, awaken your inner creator. Until next time, stay well, stay vibrant, and keep creating your most extraordinary life.